Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be doing some unboxings, or should I say tonight even. So yeah, let's get into this box right here. Shit. Some information and bubble wrap. Stomach's rattling around. Oh, it's a screw. This can only mean one thing. And yes, here we have a lens. And yes, if you guys couldn't have guessed, it is for R4ONH. I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing of it now. So yeah, here we have a brand new reverse lens for R4, and yeah, in case you guys haven't watched it yet, even though it ain't uploaded yet, but it will be before this video, I did reverse it into the van. So yeah, here's the front and the back, and it looks like we've got some, whatever this is, wire, and where's that screw? There it is, and it looks like we've got some screws. And yes, you'll be seeing me fit this, or my dad fit this on Wednesday. Not Wednesday, on Tuesday. Not Tuesday, Sunday. So yeah, let's put this back in the packet to keep it safe. So yeah, you'll be seeing this lens on R4. And yes, it does need a new marker light as well. 2 new marker light lenses and 1 actual marker light. So yeah, let's put this on the floor. What's this? Just some information. I'll keep that just in case. Moving on, we have a photo. Got to get around to doing these unboxings more often. So, first of all, what a coincidence. It is a Plaxton Premier X Wallace Arnold. Now Holloways. Reg is T533EUB. As you can see, here's the front and there's the back. Moving on, we have a Wallace Arnold, Plaxton X-Cuber, and a couple of other coaches in the background outside their depot. Reg, I can't see it, but if I do find out, I'll put it in the text. Moving on, we have I think it's a Scania Omni City. It could be a Scania Omni Lynx, but I'll put the correction in the text. Owned by Sanders Coaches, or Sanders Services, however you want to call them. YN03UNT, as you can see. So here's the front, and there's the back. Moving on, you guessed it. Oh, we've got 2 stuck together. You guessed it, we have a Wallace Arnold, I think, wrecker type thingy, or converted bus. Don't think it's Wallace Arnold anymore in the photo, but it used to be a Wallace Arnold. If I find out, I'll put the company in the text. It's Reg. It's on a tray plate. I can tell you tray plate Reg is 664WA, and I'll put the actual Reg in the text. I can't really see it. along with the company as well. Next we have another Wallace Arnold, but this time it is a Mercedes-Benz minibus. I'll put the exact make of it in the text, and same goes with the Wallace as well. The record that is, I think. Reg is D128JWY, as you can see. So yeah, here's front, and there's that. Moving on. Last photo from this package, we have a Wallace Arnold Mercedes-Benz minibus again. Reg G226SYY, I think. If not, I'll put the correction. This is Mercedes-Benz, owned by Wallace Arnold, and I'll put the exact make as well. So yeah, moving on to another package. Damn it, where's the lid? Right here. Ooh, it looks like... Hang on, is that the same? No, it's a different. We have another Holloway's coach, ex-Wallace Arnold, I think. Claxton Premier, YYR832. And the Holloways, if I didn't say that already. Next, we have a first coach. I'll put what first it is in the text and what make it is. And maybe the fleet number as well. I'm not too sure on these ones. Reg is, oh, the fleet number's here anyways. Reg is 8002RBX. 20500, I think, if not, I'll correct it. So yeah, here's the front, there's the back. Yeah, that's empty, isn't it? Cool. Bring that on the floor. And that. Next, we have another envelope. These are all envelopes now. If you guys are wondering what the time is, it's about 1:25 in the morning. I know, I stop up quite late, don't I? But who gives a shit? Yeah, that's all that's in the package. Ooh, the fact that he's put in a little envelope. Ooh, this is Johnson's stuff. So yeah. Excuse me while I just fart. Put that again. Here we have YJ11EJE. And if you've seen on one of my school bus rides, this bus did actually run out of charge, which was quite funny. That was when I was on the route number 3, that is, because if you guys have been keeping up to date, I am on the 154 now. If I didn't say YJ11EJE, also known as Viola, which is its name, owned by Johnson's Coach and Bus Travel, and is a 2011 Optiversa hybrid, obviously. So yeah, here's the front, and there's the back. Moving on, we have another 2011 Optiversa owned by Johnson's Coach and Bus Travel, which is YJ11EJK, which I think is EJ's sister. Correct me on that one, guys, if you know, or I'll correct myself. So yeah, here's the front, there's the back. Next, we have a 2009 Optitempo YJ59 GFA, and I have been on this one quite a lot. So yeah, here's the front, there's the back. Next, we have a 2009 Optitempo owned by Johnson Coach and Bus Travel YJ59 GFE, which is GFA's sister. So yeah, here's the front, there's the back. Well, I think it is anyway, so it makes sense if it is. Next we have another photo of YJ11EJE 2007 Optiversa. Here's the front, there's the back. Next we are on the coaches, guys. Here we have a Bova Futura, I think, owned by Johnson's Coach and Bus Travel. YJ11 AMU, I think. I'll correct myself if that's right, I can hardly see it. So yeah, Bova Futura is front, there's the back. I'll put the year in the text as well, so I have no clue at the moment. Oh god. Next is a 2008 Opta Solo MX-08 YJ08PGX, which I've been on a couple of times. They still own that one, so yeah, his front, there's the back. They are from all the same seller. I think they're still available on eBay now if you want to buy one. Next, we have YJ11DWG, which you guys know I've been on a million times because, yeah, it's been my main one on the 154 in the afternoon. So yeah, 2007, both AM, I think. I'll correct myself if that's not right. So yeah, here's the front, there's back. It's definitely a 2007. Next, we have a Ford minibus. I've got a feeling it's transit, but it could be a Torino. I'll just put it in the text. Jesus, 10 minutes long already. Reg, BX16ZG2, a minibus owned by Johnson's Coach and Bus Travel. So yeah, here's front and here's back. In fact, I haven't really got any pictures of the minibuses on the wall, but now I will do. Next we have a Mercedes-Benz minibus again. Well, the other one was Ford, but it's a minibus again. Reg BD14CZN, which I have filmed a bit of it off, but I've never been on any of their minibuses, which is pretty obvious. So yeah, here's front and here's the back. The reason why I haven't been on any of their minibuses is because they do the tender work to the coaches, I think. And if you did enjoy the flood video the other day, that'd be pretty cool. And yes, I did get to go home early, which was good. On the coach as well, which is a plus. Because normally the last ones come and it's normally at the same time on the 6 weeks holiday. Whereas the other companies like Bakers and Henschel come early. And Johnson seems to just want to get there at normal time all the time, probably because they're busy, which is fair enough. I did wait for it once and it took about like 2 hours to get there. That was ages ago. I wish I filmed it now. How am I going to do this? I will do a fact information on R4 and 5. If you guys do know where this bus is, or coach even, T3ONH, it'll be most appreciated if you guys could tell me. Ooh, so, here we have, I can't really see the reg of the AEC Regent being towed by this Volvo, and then it'll make FH12. I think you kind of see I'm not a truck person, but it's towing a bus, so yeah, that's why I brought it. And Bradley, if you're watching, please tell me the exact make of this truck. That'd be appreciated. Well, I'll just ask you. Reg is W3WJS. Oh, it's an enzyme bus recovery. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I like the truck and the bus because yeah, trucks. This truck is obviously from the company that's probably towing this bus. So yeah, there's front and there's back. And if they ensign in this AEC region, won't be surprising. So yeah, there is all the photos, and it's currently 131 right now. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching and peace out. Hello guys, back again. Just forgot to unbox a couple of things and show you some stuff. So yeah, in case you're wondering, this is R4, well, half of R4's original lens. So yeah, next we have something from R4, some looks like brand new school seatbelt signs and no smoking sign. So yeah, this bag's a bit sticky. So here we have a no smoking sign number 1 and seatbelt sign. I might use some of these on R4s because they are getting a bit tired. Here we have another one. How many do we have? Another one. I don't think R4 or 5 has its CCTV anymore, which is a shame. Another one. Another one. I don't think R5 has these, no. Here's another one. The funniest thing is I did find a book in R5. Here's another one. And another one. And the last one, which is this one. And I don't think R4 actually did have any no smoking signs. So I wonder why they're in there. Perhaps they did at one point and they didn't replace them because they thought, oh, I'll take it off the road now. So next we have, I don't really tell you before unboxing them, bus magazine. Ooh, wrapper. For some reason this has got a rail haze thing in it. So let's take a look to see what's in this wrapper. Interesting. What have they sent me? Or is it just shit? Another wrapper. Shit. Equally shit. Just a little bit of bullshit. Here we have another one. Hey, thank you. Thank you for what? An envelope. Get out of here. Way up. Let's see what something almost fell off. This is Christmas 2019. Now this is interesting. I'll keep this. Here's front and there's back. And now we have the actual magazine itself, as you can see, which is pretty cool. Buster's magazine, so here's front, there's the back. I'm going to have a quick look in it, see what it's got in here. I know you guys can't obviously see any of this, but oh well. That is cool. Route master going through a flood. Hang on. There you go. So yeah, there we go guys. So now, let's get another thumbnail. And if you realise, I have got a thumbnail before, but I'll just do a split screen instead. So yeah, let's get into it. And this will be in the same video as the last one, so yeah, let's get into it. So thank you guys for watching. Please help. Yeah, how's the camera? Hello? Oh, on Twitter, it's on selfie mode. There we go. Peace out, guys.